Hello everybody, welcome back to another product unboxing. Today I'm checking out the G-Man Bluetooth wireless earbuds. These feature 5.0 Bluetooth, which is the newest chip. It's supposed to be the best for connectivity and all that. This features stereo high fidelity music, videos and calls, ultra mini, long battery life. It says 5 hours of music per charge, and then I believe the box is also a charger, which gives you 24 hours of total listening time between with everything. So it connects to tablets, computers, mobile phones. Anyways, all right, cool little box there. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description below. You can check it out on Amazon. I got it for about $30. Let's get on with the unboxing, shall we? Also, I do review videos after the product unboxing, if I can unbox this. Pretty stout little box here. My goodness. That's probably not the right way. What am I doing wrong here? Some kind of a puzzle here or something. My goodness. Okay. I will leave a link to the product. I guess I just got to rip the box. I don't know. It doesn't seem like that's the right way. Anyway, it's tough. I will leave a link to that review and setup video when I get it done. Oh my goodness. Oh, I am so stupid. So it just opens up like that. I just pretty much destroyed the box. A special moment here on the unboxing. Anyways, here we got the, I couldn't figure it out. All right, here's the instructions. Maybe I can fix this box here. Sorry about that little box. It just kind of destroyed you. It was a nice box. It just was almost too nice. Okay, carry on, my friends. Here is what we're looking for. Look at that. I mean, it has nice packaging, a little foam interior. This thing's nestled in there. And first off, it's got a little lanyard. It's very sleek looking. Pretty cool, actually. There we go. Those little guys are nestled in there, just happy as you can see. And pretty futuristic looking little, it's almost like a little coffin they're coming out of, but looks pretty nice. A little magnet holds us together. You got your little USB mini port in the back for charging. Okay, let's see what else we got here in the box that I destroyed. So it has 2 other sizes for your earpiece covers. Little silicone ones there. These are really small ones. Normally the ones I see are a little bit bigger than this, but these are quite tiny, which is cool. And obviously we have our USB to micro USB charging cord. All right, so we're probably gonna have to charge this before. I just want to see how these little guys come out of there. Okay, so there is a magnet as well on there that holds these things into place. And these are, let's see if we can get you guys a good look at this, but they're quite small. I'm not sure if they have noise canceling abilities as well, but there's a little piece. Usually the silicone pieces on a lot of them I see are about twice, almost 3 times bigger than that. So very small and dainty, pretty cool. These are a water proof. I wouldn't swim underwater with them, but you know, water resistant too. You know, if you're walking out in the rain or something. I'm pretty excited to test these out. So I will be charging this up. I guess the box holds probably about 4 or 5 charges as well once you get it charged up to charge your earbuds. So just a sleek looking little device here. I will be doing that demonstration and final review video, and pretty excited to do that for you guys. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, and we'll be seeing you soon. Everyone have a great day out there.